Ayushmann, who was interviewing people, is being interviewed now. How
Yeah.
does it feel to being on the other side?
I'm still learning. It's easy to ask questions, but you have to answer. You have to be intelligent.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to sound intelligent. So I'm still learning. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That you wrote Panidarang in college, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah.
So was it for Tahira?
It was just random. A random amalgamation of thoughts.
Great.
There was no inspiration as such, but I seriously feel that art is a lie which realizes you the truth. It's like that. You can draw inspiration or you can just write anything without inspiration. Pani Darang is not just written by me, it's co-written by Rocha Kohli and there were other theatre friends as well.
Right.
So it's just not a single man's thought.
Alright, then we'll move to some quick questions.
Yeah.
Starting with Ayushmann's favorite reality show.
Okay, roadies.
Favorite TV anchor.
Favorite TV anchor. There are a lot of good anchors on television. So I'll name a news anchor. I think Dr. Roy for NDTV.
You're not your favorite?
No, definitely not.
Alright. Favorite TV actress you wish to work with?
Favorite TV actress? Yami Gautam is from television, so yeah, I worked with her.
But anyone else who would you wish to work with?
I hardly watch soaps, yeah. But yeah, I know that Yami was from television, so.
Yeah. Okay. Favorite actor you wish to work with?
Favorite actor, Amitabh Bachchan.
Wow.
I think he's a legend, I think. Yeah.
Yes. One role you really wished you would have played from any movie?
I'm a very practical person. But still, I think I would love to play Amir Khan's character in Kyamat Se Kyamat Tak and Shah Rukh's character in DDLJ.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you like romantic movies?
Absolutely.
So romantic or action hero?
Romantic. I'm a die-hard romantic.
Alright. Favorite sport?
Cricket. I've played cricket, so yeah, cricket. It's very
perfume?
unusual for an Indian. Yeah, favorite perfume? There are many actually. I like Chanel and I like Narciso Rodriguez. There's a new perfume, so yeah, I like that one.
Alright. Favorite Punjabi dish?
Tandoori chicken.
Chandigarh or Mumbai?
Right now, Mumbai.
Okay. But you wish to go back then?
I seriously feel I'm a Mumbaiker trapped in a North Indian body.
Whoa.
I'm not loud, I'm not flamboyant like Punjabis. I feel like a Mumbaiker.
Okay. Given a chance, would you ever take part in Roadies again?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Not right now.
And would you like to get into direction also?
I may get into direction, but I think right now I've just finished my first film and
Yeah.
the concentration, the priority is acting, and I have a long way to go, I think.
Alright. Lovely. So I must say this typical Punjabi Munda style has become so famous that girls are going mad over it. And we've got like lot of questions from different girls
Okay.
that they want to ask you. So
Yeah.
we'll go ahead with few. From Neha, it says, "Itni jaldi kya thi shaadi karne ki?"
Ho gayi bas yaar. It's just that you have to just find the right person. Doesn't matter 22 or 42, seriously.
Whoa.
Yeah.
A lot of girls are going through a heartbreak. From Prerna, she says, one of your interviews said that you actually were a sperm donor. Now,
Yeah.
Was it real or a publicity stunt?
No, I've donated sperms in the past, in 2004. It was part of Roadies.
Whoa.
Out of 5 guys, 3 samples were selected. I was one of those. So that makes me an authentic method actor. Yeah.
That's great. Now, Miss Kesara says, please ask him that how he handles his relationship with his wife when industry is overflowing with sexy hot chicks.
My wife is also very sexy. She's very intelligent, very sexy, so it doesn't matter. Seriously,
matter.
it doesn't matter.
All right. From
And this
Shiv-
world is overflowing with hot, sexy chicks. It doesn't matter industry or outside the industry.
So you're not deviating anywhere.
You can deviate any time. In fact, even if you are an MBA, you have a lot of opportunities. If you are decent looking, it's just that people in the industry, they are always under the scanner. That's it.
True. Now, from Shilpa, she says, how is he in relationship from 16 years
Yeah.
with the same person? I want to know his secret. Please, please, please.
I've got a good sperm count.
Now, Shilpa says again, who is your dream fashion designer?
Dream fashion designer. My style is very basic. It's very natural. I just wear what I feel comfortable in. And I have a stylist. Her name is Shayal. I just like working with her. Yeah, that's it. I'm not that fancy.
No big labels.
Nothing. I'm not that fashion conscious. I think that's my style. I like wearing toy watches. I like wearing something like South Park. That's me.
I think that is why youth connects with you so well.
Maybe, yeah.
From Oindrilla, she says, are you interested in extramarital affair?
You know, since I'm acting on screen, I'm romancing. I'll be romancing my heroines on screen. That's like an extra marital affair on screen.
All right.
Yeah.
From Renu, she says, as a VJ,
Yeah.
you have done a lot of interviews with celebrities. So how does it feel to be on the other side?
As I said, I'm still learning, and it's easy to ask questions and to answer questions. Still learning, yeah. I'm getting used to be on the other side.
All right, last two. So the second last is Reva wants you to sing Pani Da Rang for us. So would you please sing for us?
You know, I have a very common excuse. My nose is blocked, and my throat is not well. But I'll still sing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes like, Pani da rang vekh ke akhiyan cho hanjur udde. Mahiyan aaya mera, mahiyan aaya. Mahiyan aaya mera, mahiyan aaya. Ranjana na aaya mera, mahiyan aaya. Mahiyan aaya mera, ranjana na aaya.
Thank you so very much. And the last question, not a question, a request from me. Could you please give a cute little smile for our camera?
The dimple.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Ayushmann. It was lovely talking to you. And last request is any message you'd like to give our viewers of INDTV USA?
To all the viewers of INDTV USA, salam, namaste, sat sri akal, and the message is follow your dreams and also execute them. Work towards them.
Alright, thank
Yeah.
you so much, Ayushmann. Wishing you all the luck
Thank
for
you
your
so much.
future projects.
Thanks.
And hope to see you more on television and films. Thank you.